Did I answer your question? Okay. Keynote again. Each time a trend line is broken, it also serves as a decision point for you whether you buy, sell, or hold. I told you that a while ago. So this, for example, ano to? Ano market siya? Sideways, right? If it breaks out here, this is a real stock, ha? After consolidating for months, it drastically went up. Okay? Ito, tip again. In technical analysis, the longer the sideways market is, the more intact the uptrend or the downtrend will be. The stronger will it be. This one, may story behind that. That's why technical analysis takes factors in what happens also in the market. This happened sometime December 2010. May naalala ba ko yung issue noong December 2010? Korea. Mali. Ano ba? Gloria, hindi. Ano ba? Hindi rin kay Chris. Ano ba? Ha? Hindi rin. Hindi rin. December 2010, the pipelines of Caltex and Shell nasira. This is a stock of Petron. The stock price of Petron broke out upon news ng Shell and Caltex nasira yung pipelines. Bakit? People were already anticipating na dadami revenues ng Petron, na doon sila magpapagas kasi nagka-shortage yung Caltex and Shell. Stock price was reflected in the stock price. Okay? So sometimes, technical analysis validates what's happening in the real world. This one. Anong trend to? What? Up. So what do you do when this happens? You buy, sell, or you hold? Hold. Hold? So each time a trend line is broken, a new trend will follow. It doesn't have to be always a downtrend. It can be, pag na-break niya to, a sideways trend would happen again and it would go even higher. Or it would go sideways and it would go down. But the choice is yours eh. Gusto mo bang pagka-break, magsa-sideways siya ng matagal, hintayin mo pa until talagang aakyat ulit. Diba? You can let it break, let it go sideways, and transfer it to another stock. Madami naman stock sa market eh. That's why it's called the stock market. Diba? Ito. What do you do with that? Buy, sell, hold. You bought here. Sell or hold na lang decision mo. Sell or hold. Who says sell? Who says hold? No break in the trend line. Just hold. Diba? As long as it's intact. Pero again, it's based on you eh. If you bought here and gusto mo na magbenta dito kasi kumita ka na ng doble na pera mo, di ba? It's still your decision. Pera mo, 1 million nilagay mo, naging 2 million. Hindi ka pa masaya doon. Di ba? It's up to you eh. It's your money. Dito nga, kumita ka na dito, you can sell it eh. The decision is yours. Whether, ayun eh, technical analysis is a good indicator for you. But at the end of the day, it's your money, it's your decision of how you want to buy or sell it. That's why you always have to use a combination of so many things, technicals, fundamentals, and everything, for you to decide. But as for this one, technically speaking, as long as the trend line is intact, you can hold the stock. You don't need to sell it. Okay? So it answers the question already. When do you buy, when do you sell, and when do you hold? When do you come into a market and when you get out of a market? You come in when the market is what? Up or down? Up. You go out once it breaks a what? A trend line. Okay.
Question. Sa buying, let's say, as soon as na ma-post ko na binenta ko na yun, I'm selling my share. Ano yun? Do not sold na natin?
Hindi. Like what we discussed a while ago, pag nag-post ka doon, pero walang willing na seller, or walang willing na buyer doon sa price mo, hindi siya mako-consummate. Parang kumbaga, nanligaw ka, pero walang gusto sumagot sa'yo. Parang gano'n. Parang gano'n yun. It will only take effect if there's something that will match it. or may willing buyer or seller to consummate the trade.
Right, so ako magbibigay ng price.
Ikaw magbibigay ng price na gusto mo. So, kunyari, the current stock price is 10. Bebenta mo ng 20. Walang gusto mo bilhin ng 20. Wala siya. Ganon. So, you have to make it as realistic as possible also. Okay? Okay? So, ito. See this. Anong gagawin nyo?
Bye.
Okay. Two choices eh. When you see a break there, you're sure na na-break niya yung downtrend. But since we're not yet sure if there's a presence of a higher high or a lower higher low, pwede siya mag-sideways or pwede siya mag-uptrend. For me, if I'm conservative, I'd wait it out until I see a trend that will be intact. But if you're risky, it's your money naman, you can wait it out on a sideways market. So this is what happened. This is Ayala Corporation stock. Went up. Ito naman yung validation niya eh. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It broke this. Anong next na mangyayari? What do you do? Buy, sell. Sideways market, nag-breakout, what do you do?
Bye.
Sideways eh. So, it's your decision. If you want to, kasi when you buy here, magbe-breakout nga siya, but you have to be sure that you sell at this point. Yung particular size niya. Okay? Kasi if not, and it doesn't proceed to have a higher high and a higher low, you're stuck in a sideways market. That's why it's always good to really buy into an upward trending market as compared to a sideways market. So yan, nag-breakout siya, again, and then it broke down. As you see, a downward trend naman na pala yan. So, with this, okay ba, that you get to see a snapshot already eh. Makakatulong siya by just looking at trend lines, alam mo na kung kailan ka papasok